Hello and welcome to this video demonstration about the Texture Updater. The Texture Updater was designed to allow users to quickly switch between versions of textures whilst working within a particular project. This tool has been used live on a project and was designed for that particular project with a particular naming convention, which I shall go through later. Once the tool has been downloaded, it can be run a couple of ways, by either copying and pasting it into the Maya 2016 scripts folder, then running import texture underscore updater as TU and TU.Launch to run it, or by copying and pasting the code from a text editor into a Python tab within Maya and then running it that way. As stated earlier, this allows for textures to be quickly updated within a project. However, it requires the texture to have this specific naming convention. So this is file name, followed by underscore, followed by v, followed by the version number, followed by underscore, then uv, the uv number for it, and then the dot extension, so .tiff, .jpeg, whatever it is. For the project we're using it on, within Maui, we use the character's name, followed by $channel to assign a channel, then the version number, which the artist will type out manually, then the UV and $udim, so it automatically creates the UV number. So this is an example of a full name, chicken diffuse channel version 1 first tile .tiff. In this example, I have 3 balls, which are 3 planetary bodies. So I've got an Earth, a Moon, a Jupiter. So in here we can see that this isn't the latest version, so we've got version 1 currently textured on. If we press update, it will automatically update the texture to the latest version. And the same with the Moon and Jupiter. But we can also roll back to previous versions. So I can say roll Jupiter back to the second version or back to the original first version. You can also preview for different textures within the tool. However, it is useful to have this turned off, particularly with working with high resolution textures across the network, which is why that option was implemented. You can also filter the different textures, so if I only wanted to see Earth, I'd only see the Earth textures, or Moon, or just clear it to get the entire list back. Some prerequisites for this to work: you need all of these textures to be within the same folder so that the texture updater can pick up the different textures. Then you need to have the correct naming convention as seen here. You can also use this updater to delete textures which you no longer want to use, and that will actually delete the file, so be careful when using that. This can also be used in conjunction with the hypershade. So if I go rendering editor's hypershade, as I double click on each of the different textures, it automatically selects that texture file, which can then be seen in the material viewer to allow you to better choose which texture you want to use and make finer tweaks using the node editor inside Maya 2016. Thank you very much for watching this video demonstration. The download link for this tool will be in the description below, and if you have any questions or comments about it, please feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.